In this video from FFX, we'll show you why you need a table saw. When working on site, the ability to quickly make rip cuts, cross cuts, mitre and bevel cuts in large pieces of timber can be a huge time saver. A table saw will allow you to do all of this with ease. Additionally, table saws have extendable sides, which means you can easily cut large work pieces even in confined spaces. The table saw's side fence helps keep the cuts true, and because they're adjustable, you can make clean cuts on wide work pieces. And the mitre gauge can be adjusted to the angle you require, again making mitre cuts in large pieces of wood that are too big for a mitre saw easy. The size of blade that the table saw accepts will determine the depth of the cut, and this can easily be adjusted by turning the wheel at the front of the saw. And it's also possible to make bevel cuts by selecting the angle the blade will cut.